Greetings, students. This is a walkthrough tutorial on what your introduction Google slideshow should look like and sound like. This is Mr. McNeil. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record. Hello, it's me, Mr. McNeil, and this is about me. I grew up here, Bremerton, Washington, the largest Navy town on the West Coast, home to the two largest aircraft carriers in the United States. Growing up, I wanted to be a pirate. Pirates are great. They have fancy outfits, swords, and they get to slide down ropes. Who wouldn't want to be a pirate? You can learn to be a pirate too. Join the United States Navy. I never did, but I've heard it's great. Most of my friends from high school are still in the Navy. But I came pretty close. Instead of becoming a pirate, I paddleboard. This was in Venice, Italy. But because I needed to make money, instead of making money as a pirate, I became a teacher. That's my indoor hobby. I like to teach computer science, robotics, ESL, and other subjects like engineering. I still want to be a pirate in the outdoors, so I've learned to free dive. I love seeing sharks underwater. Instead of piracy, I travel. I've been to Hong Kong, Rome, Austria, Morocco, Scotland, and Indonesia and Thailand for scuba diving. I've even been scuba diving in the waters just outside of Seattle. That's cold. Sometimes I still want to be a pirate or a Viking. That castle is the castle that my great ancestors built in Scotland. The end. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. Please speak at a good rate, clearly, not too softly, not too loudly, not too slowly, and not too fast. It's a difficult task. Try and keep your video at about 90 seconds. 2 minutes is okay, 3 minutes is pushing it, and 3.5 minutes or more is just too long. Also, 60 seconds is pretty short, and 45 seconds is just too little. Okay, thanks. Hope this video helps. Bye-bye.